Hi there and welcome to Easy Peasy Recall Training. This is the course for pet dog owners who love their dogs but they wish their dogs came back to them, listened to them and wanted to be with them when they take them to the park. Everybody can enjoy their dog a lot more if your dog has a good recall, and in this course I'm going to be teaching you how you can implement some quick and easy recall exercises with your own dog that you can practice anywhere with any breed using items that you already own. You know, you don't need expensive equipment to teach a recall, you don't need a whistle, you don't need a clicker, you just need to know some things that your dog likes to be rewarded with. You need a lead and you need some energy and some enthusiasm to make your dog want to come back to you. So this course will suit a range of dog owners. If you have a puppy that you want to keep safe when you take him to the park, then the exercises that I teach you in this course will help you to do just that. If you have an older dog who you have done a little bit of training with, but you wish he had a better recall, then this course will suit you as well, because the exercises are applicable to any dog, any breed, and you can practice them at home, at the park. You don't need to be a dog trainer to teach these exercises. They're easy, they're simple, and they're perfect for pet dog owners to do. So what am I going to be teaching in this course? Well, first of all, we're going to be looking at why you need to teach a recall. I think it's really important that every dog has a pretty good recall. You're going to be able to enjoy your dog much more if he does have a good recall. Then we're going to be looking at why your dog currently doesn't have a very good recall. And there are a number of reasons why your dog doesn't come back to you at the moment. But the most unusual one and the most surprising one to most pet dog owners is that their dog really doesn't find them very interesting when you take him to the park. And until your dog finds you more interesting, then it's going to be really difficult for you to get his attention and get him to come back to you if he's always wanting to do more interesting things like sniff, pee-stained lampposts or play with other dogs. So that's where we start. We start with why. Then we're going to be looking at how we teach a recall. And I'm going to be explaining how your dog learns and how we can make it as easy as possible for you to reteach your dog that when you say his name, it's a good thing that your dog comes back to you. We're also going to be looking at what you need to teach a recall, and you will surprisingly need less things than you think. Yeah, we don't need any expensive equipment to teach a recall. The things that we need are going to be things that you already have at home, and you can use them straight away to start getting your dog to come back to you and to start thinking that coming back to you is a really rewarding thing and it's going to be something that he should want to do. Then we're going to look at where and when you should be teaching your dog this recall, and I've got some ideas for things that you can do to make better use of your dog's food that you give him every day, and I'm going to be teaching you where exactly you should teach the recall. Most dog owners make the mistake of rushing ahead too far with their training, too fast with their training, and they take the dog back to the place where he doesn't normally take any notice of them, and then they wonder why the dog doesn't come back. So I'm going to be showing you how you can build up slowly the recall exercises that we do in low distraction areas at first, and then gradually build up the distractions, which will make it nice and easy for the dog, where eventually he will come back to us no matter where we take him. Then finally, we're going to recap everything, and I'm going to give you some more long-term strategies that you can put in place that will enable you to create a magic circle around you when you take your dog to the park, so that your dog always wants to be with you, he always wants to be near you, and it's going to keep him safer, and it's going to be more fun for you too. So I hope you enjoy this short course, and let's get cracking with why you need to teach your dog a recall.